Let me show you how to make creamy refried beans. The prep for this is super simple. First, I'll dice enough white onion to make 1 cup. Then I'll grate 2 garlic cloves. I'll slice a lime in half, and I'll open a can of pinto beans, but I won't drain the liquid. Lastly, I'll make a spice blend of 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1/8 teaspoon marjoram, and 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon. I'll heat at least 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is warm, I'll add the onions and sauté gently. Then after a minute, I'll salt the onions and stir well. I'll lower the heat and let the onions cook for 10 minutes until they're soft. I'll keep an eye on the heat to make sure the onions don't burn. I'll shake the pan often to even everything out. Now I'll add the garlic and stir for 2 minutes until fragrant. Then I'll add the spice blend and stir well to make sure everything is well combined. Everything smells so good. Next, I'll pour the entire can of pinto beans into the pan, liquid and all. This is going to make the texture extra creamy. And don't throw away the can as we're going to use it later. Now I'll sauté the mixture for 15 minutes. I'll start mashing the beans once they've softened. If the mixture is too thick, add a little water to the bean can and add it to the pan. You can keep doing this until you get your desired consistency. You can also use an immersion blender for a smoother texture. I'll squeeze in a whole lime and give it a good stir. Then finally, I'll season with black pepper, then I'll give it a taste and decide if I need to add more salt. You can use these refried beans in tostadas, burritos, or as a comforting side dish. I'll top with a little sour cream, some avocado, and some grated cheese, and we'll enjoy with some chips. To go next level, grab some cocktail glasses, layer with the refried beans, smashed avocado or guacamole, sour cream, pico de gallo, shredded cheese, and some finely diced jalapeno. Squeeze on some lime and enjoy your masterpiece.